To install the PayPal module on PrestaShop, start by navigating to the PrestaShop website. Once there, click on the Get Started button, which will prompt you to choose between downloading the pre-version or the paid version of PrestaShop. After downloading, follow the installation process as outlined on the website to set up your store. Upon setting up your store, you'll see a dashboard on the left-hand side with various sections, including the Improved section. Scroll down to this section and click on Modules. Then select Marketplace. From here, you can either search for a module or click on Upload a module. To upload the PayPal module, find the module archive and select the file. The PrestaShop checkout built with PayPal can be configured or installed from this section. After setting up the PayPal module, you can configure it according to your needs.